to create contact sheets, right? So we are going to start off where we've imported from the images that we have. So for example, we're here. I can see that in the library module. I'm going to select all, which is Apple A or Command A, and I'm going to go to print. And when you first get to print, you have a lot of different templates. So you can click on any of these and everything will show up. And depending on the layout, you may have several pages. Okay. But the layout we want, the template that we're starting with, is the 5x8 contact sheet. So you select that from the Lightroom templates. I'm going to close the preview. And then we're going to come to the right and start checking our settings. We're going to do a stroke border, 1 point in black. The layout here looks good. Let's see. If I uncheck keep square, if it does anything. It doesn't to this. That's great. Guides, that's fine. We can see the ruler marks for the pages. Page background color. I want a medium gray. I can do page numbers if I end up with multiple pages, which y'all's minimum is 80. So that would be a minimum page of 2. You can have page numbers. You don't have to. Photo info. You can go to edit, and the default's usually file name, and you can arrow over, add exposure, give a space or something similar. This shows you how it's going to look under each of the images on your contact sheet. Then we'll hit done. What I actually did is named a preset. When I came to edit, I did this and I came up here and I put save these current settings as a new preset and named it. And that's how I ended up being able to now drop down when I have Lightroom open and automatically go to exposure and file name. If your font size is looking really big or your thumbnails are looking very small, it might be your font size. So 8 or 10 should be more like what size it should be. Okay. So we look like we're ready to go. Now we need to export this as a PDF. So we're going to come to printer and we're going to go to the one that has the ... with it. If you're on a PC, it should be similar settings. It may be page setup, but I know for Macs, you're going to hit this right here. The 3 dots means there's more options once you click that button. So now here we are, all pages, and here is what we're looking for, PDF. We want to save as a PDF. And now we can choose where to save it. We want it in our core folder that has the original images in it. And then up here, we're going to name it. Save. And you can see preparing print job right here. And when it says that that's finished, we should be able to come over here and look for our finals. And there it is right there. And that's what we would turn in.